Hi there, I'm Mark Thomas. I'm one of the members of the ECHO 2023 User Advisory Group, and today we're going to put the ECHO UCAN tune-up kit on the chainsaw, the CS-501P. Let me show you how quick and easy it is to do these three things. First of all, we're going to put some safety glasses on, and then I prefer to wear these nitro gloves right here just to keep any fuel off my hands. This is designed to give you essential maintenance on your chainsaw by replacing the air filter, the spark plug, and the fuel filter. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure it's in the stop position, put our chain brake on just for safety purposes. And then we're going to get access to the air filter. It's right here. So we're going to loosen that. And you can see this definitely needs to be switched out. So we're going to just lift that off like that. There, can you see some of the dirt on there? Then we're going to take the new one right here and replace it. Like that. And then you grab the spark plug wrench right here. It has a 19mm end, and then take the spark plug off. There's the old one. All right, there's the old one. Then we're going to grab the new one right here. Put that in place. First, just thread it in with your hand until it snugs down. And then grab your wrench. Oops. Make sure that stays on there. And just get it nice and snug, like that. And then put the spark plug boot over, back in place. So now we have a new spark plug and air filter. We can put the cover back on, screw that down. There. Snug. Now we have to get to the fuel cap right here. So now we're going to unscrew the fuel cap, and we're going to take it out completely. This is a little tether right there, so just take that out. Then if you can see right here, I made up this little wire hook just from some electrical wire. It's like a J shape, and then you just reach in to basically fish out the old fuel filter right here. So right here on the fuel line there's a little clamp, so you're just going to kind of hold that in place as you twist and remove the fuel filter like that. Alright, here's the new one. We're going to slide that right where the old one was at. There we go. There, that's all the way on. Put that back in there. Put that little tether back in your fuel cap. And we're all set. And then just snug it down, and then we're all set. Now let's start it up. All right, now we're going to test it out, make sure it runs. All right. All right, so for a low cost and only about 5 to 10 minutes of your time, you can do a tune-up on your chainsaw and be ready for the upcoming chainsaw season.